Morning children, yesterday I discussed about fill in the blanks, choose true or false, match and short answer revision. Yes, today I am going to give the very short answer revision. Yesterday I gave, today I give short answer and detailed answer. Okay, first question. A rubber ball changes its shapes on pressing. Can it be called a solid? Yes, it has a definite shape and volume. Its particles cannot move freely. It conforms the solid particles. Next, second question. Why do gases not have fixed shape? Gases possess more intermolecular space and less force of attraction. They have the property of filling the entire part of a container by taking the shape of the container. So, gases do not have fixed shape. Next, third question. What method will you employ to separate cheese from milk? Explain filtration. So, first point, heat the milk. Add lime juice or vinegar. After few minutes, cheese will float on the liquid. Use strainer to separate the cheese paneer from milk. Next, fourth question. Look the pictures given below and explain the method of separation illustrated. So, the answer is, the method is called as sieving. It is used to separate solid particles of different sizes. Example, bran from flour. Next, fifth one. The question, how can you separate a mixture of large quantity of tiny bits of paper mixed with the pulses dal? The answer is, the bits of paper are separated from pulses dal by winnowing. Bits of paper have less weight and get easily blown away by wind. The pulses dal are heavier particles and will fall down closer. Next, sixth one. What is meant by food adulteration? Food adulteration is the process in which the quantity of food is lowered either by the addition of inferior quality material or by the extraction of valuable integrant. Next, seventh one. Mr. Raghu returns home at hot summer and wants to have a buttermilk. So, the method of preparing buttermilk from curd. First one, use a hand churner. The curd has to be blended well. 2 cups of chilled water is to be added after churning the curd. The water is to be mixed well so there are no lumps. Next, fourth one, integrants such as chaat masala shall be added before serving the buttermilk. Are you understood this one, children? Yes. Next, see the next one. Detailed answer. First question, distinguish between properties of solid, liquid, gas. Draw suitable diagram. First point, solid, definite shape and volume. Second point, solid, incompressible. Third point, little space between the particles. Fourth point, the particles cannot move freely. Next, liquid state. First point, no definite shape. It attains the shape of the vessel. Compressible to a small extent. Greater space between the particles. Particles move freely. Next, third one, gas. First point, it has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Highly compressible. Greater space between the particles. The particles are in a continuous random motion. Are you understood about this? Next, see this diagram. Solid particles, example stone. Liquid particles, example water. Gaseous particle, example air. Next, second one. Use a suitable apparatus from a laboratory. Separate the mixture of chalk powder, mustard oil, water and coins. Draw a flow chart to show the separation of process. So, see the flow chart. First one, the mixture of chalk powder, mustard oil, water and coins. Coins are separated, hand picking method. The mixture of chalk powder, mustard oil, water. So, mustard oil is separated, decantation method. Mixture of chalk powder, water. Chalk powder is removed in filtration method, and after that you get the water. That's all, children. The lesson 3 revision over. I hope you are understood this lesson very well. So, write the exam well. Okay. Thank you.